Welcome in online edu classes. I am Jeet Shah. Today we are going to learn narration, direct and indirect speech part 2. In previous part we learned that reported verb said is changed into told if there is an object, right? And it will remain as said if there is no object. Secondly, we learned that we have to remove comma and inverted comma, and directly we have to start with the reported speech with the conjunction that. And we learn that tense of the reported speech will change into next corresponding tense, and first person of the reported speech changes according to subject, second person change according to object, and third person remains same. Today in this video we are going to learn how to change interrogative sentence in reported speech. So children, interrogative sentence is of two types. Either it will start with a helping verb or it will start with a interrogative verb. For example, the visitor said to me, comma inverted comma, is your father at home? Children, this is beginning with helping verb. Second example, she said to me, comma inverted comma, what is your name? So children, this is beginning with interrogative word. So now you understood that interrogative sentence can be either start with helping verb or interrogative verb. So now we will learn the rules beginning with helping verb. Rule number 1, the reported verb said will change into asks. For example, Geeta said to Suresh, comma inverted comma, are you looking for keys? The answer will be Geeta asked Suresh if he was looking for keys. Children, you can see that in the question there is a question mark. But when we convert into indirect speech, there will be no question mark because now it is in assertive. Rule number 2, remove comma and inverted comma and start the reported speech with a conjunction if or whether. For example, Geeta said to Suresh, may I use your pen? See, this is a question. May I use your pen? So, if we convert it into indirect sentence, then it will be Geeta asked Suresh, said will change into asked, and then conjunction if. We can use whether also. Okay, both are correct. Geeta asked Suresh if she might use his pen. May is converted into might, and your. Your is second person, so it converts according to object. Object is Suresh, so it is his. So the final answer is Geeta asked Suresh if she might use his pen. Rule number 3, change the interrogative form of reported speech into assertive form. For example, Geeta said to Suresh, comma inverted comma, is your father at home? So this is in interrogative. We will have to convert into assertive form. Geeta asked Suresh if his father was at home. Children, you remember in rule itself we learned that interrogative form should change into assertive. So there should be no interrogative mark. So instead of interrogative mark, we have to use full stop. So the final answer will be Geeta asked Suresh if his father was at home. Now we will learn how to convert when the reported speech is beginning with interrogative word. Rule number 1, the reported verb said will change into asks. For example, Geeta asks to Suresh, comma inverted comma, what is your name? So it will be Geeta asks Suresh what his name was. Children, there is no conjunction. And why his? Because your is a second person and second person changes according to object, and in object Suresh is there. So Suresh is a boy, so we will use his. So the final answer will be Geeta asked Suresh what his name was. Rule number 2, we have to remove comma, inverted comma, and start with a reported speech. And remember children, this time there should be no conjunction. Okay, for example, the teacher said to Gopal, comma, inverted comma, why are you late? So the answer will be, the teacher asked Gopal why he was late. Children, remember that there should be no conjunction in case of sentence start with interrogative word. Rule number 3, interrogative form of reported speech should convert into assertive form. That means we have to convert interrogative sentence into assertive one. For example, she said to me, comma, inverted comma, what is your name? The answer will be, she asked me what my name was. Children, why my? Because your will convert into object, second person changes according to object, and in object it is written me. So it will convert into my. And why was? Because is there, and is will convert into was. So the final answer will be, she asked me what my name was. Now we will practice some question. My uncle said to me, comma, inverted comma, will you go with us for a picnic? So the answer will be, my uncle asked me whether I would go with them for a picnic. Children, see, the conjunction is used whether. You can use if also. And children, will convert into would. My uncle said to me, comma, inverted comma, how are you? So the answer will be, my uncle asked me how I was. Children, now I hope you understood how to convert direct into indirect in case of interrogative sentence. So thank you children. I will meet you with the next video.